Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the lecture series on industrial hydraulics and pneumatics. Myself, Ashish Lande, faculty at Department of Mechanical Engineering, KK Polytechnic, Nasik. Dear friends, this video is meant for the students of final year diploma in mechanical engineering. Friends, already we had started a series on the important difference that have been asked in MSBT examination. In our last lecture, we had discussed a difference between hydraulics and pneumatic system. In our today's lecture, we are going to see a few more important differences. So let's start our discussion. Friends, first of all, we'll study a very important difference, a difference between gear pump and piston pump. We'll compare these two pumps on the basis of certain parameter. So first parameter of the comparison is the principle. Dear friends, in the gear pump, we use gears, a meshing of the gears, while in the piston pump, we use to and fro motion of a piston. In the gear pump, we use gear pair as a mechanical element, while in a piston pump, we use piston and cylinder. Usually, gear pump is used for the low pressure range, that is up to 350 bar, while a piston pump can be used for a high pressure range, that is up to 700 bar. If we talk about the comparison, usually gear pumps are simple, they are compact, and they require a low space, while the piston pumps has a complex construction, they require more space. If we talk about the different types, a gear pump can be classified as an internal gear pump and external gear pump, while the piston pump can also be classified as a axial piston pump and radial piston pump. If we talk about the operations, usually gear pumps are more noisy as compared to piston pump, while the piston pumps are less noisy. If we talk about the maintenance, usually the maintenance of the gear pump is simple, while the maintenance of the piston pump is difficult. If we talk about the delivery of the discharge, it is a continuous for the gear pump while it is pulsating for the piston pump. So friends, we had compared the gear pump and piston pump on the basis of certain parameter. Now we'll compare very important thing. There are different types of air motor used in industrial hydraulics and pneumatics. Now we'll compare these three types of motors. We'll compare air motor, electric motor and hydraulic motor. So let's start our discussion. So friends, if we talk about the medium for the air, we use compressed air for the air motor, pressurized oil for the hydraulic motor and electric current for the electric motor. If we talk about the construction of the air motor and hydraulic motor is simple as compared to electric motor. If we talk about the shockproof ability, the air motor and the hydraulic motor are more shockproof, or they are better uh, as compared to electric motor. If we talk about the power, the electric motor and the hydraulic motor has a limited power, while the air motor and the hydraulic motor has a limited power, while the electric motor has a high power available. If we talk about the speed control, air motor and the hydraulic motor has a easy speed control just by using the control valve, while the electric motor has a difficult speed control and it is somewhat costly. If we talk about weight to power ratio, it is high for the air motor and hydraulic motor, while it is low for the electric motor. If we talk about the operation, the electric motor is smooth, hydraulic motor is moderate, while air motor has a big noise. If we talk about the efficiency, electric motor has the highest efficiency out of these three motors. If we talk about the cost, electric motor has the highest cost while air motor is cheaper. If we talk about the explosion, usually electric motor has a less chances, while in case of hydraulic motor, short circuit may cause the burning, while the air motor is usually explosion proof. So friends, these were the comparison points between the three types of motors. Now we'll compare one more very important point, a difference between or comparison between hydraulic motor and hydraulic pump on the basis of certain parameter. So if we talk about the definition, a hydraulic pump is a device which converts mechanical energy into a fluid energy, while a hydraulic motor is a device which converts fluid energy into a mechanical energy. If we talk about the function of the hydraulic pump is to supply high pressurized oil, while the function of the hydraulic motor is to produce rotary motion and the torque. If we talk about the energy inputs, the hydraulic pump has a electrical motor or IC engine inputs, while the hydraulic motor has a input which has oil under, that is pressurized oil. If we talk about the different types of the hydraulic pump, it has a gear pump, vane pump, screw pump, piston pump. On the same line, hydraulic motor can also be classified as a gear motor, vane motor, piston motor, etc. If we talk about the efficiency, the hydraulic pump has a more efficiency as compared to hydraulic motor. So friends, in our today's lecture, we had discussed three important comparison. First one, a difference between two type of pump, gear pump and the piston pump. Second one, a difference between three types of motor, air motor, electric motor and the hydraulic motor, while in the last we had compare gear pump and piston pump. So friends, these three differences have been asked many times in MSBT examinations. So if you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.